Good morning, friends. This is Himanshu from Pi Cyber Academy. Today, I got a query. I see a query on Facebook Python Programmers Hub group, and that query is posted by Redon IO. So he is facing some syntactical problem that's for beginners, and I'm trying to explain it so Radon IO can understand what's wrong and what are the things need to be done into this. So this is his queries. I'm copied it into my notepad. I'm using the code here, and let me open my terminal and execute this file. So Python syntax error example.py, and we can see that there is an error and line number 5. It shows into this at line number 4, and in my mind one line number 5 because of this new line. If I remove this new line, it will be on line number 4. So what are the things we are missing? So it identifies that this is a syntax error and invalid syntax. So when we are use a if condition or for loop and we want to initialize a block of code, at the time at the end of this line we have to use colon, and after that the new block will be initiated. So I made a colon over here, but it still has some indentation error. So first let me run this and show you the next error onto this. So this is on print line number print yes on line number 5. This is because in line number 4 we are signifying that on the next we are going to start a new block, and in Python new block is maintained by indentations. So after this line number 4 we have to make a tab, or we can use 4 space to maintain a tab. Then we have to write this statement that we want to. So let's say here print yes, and rest of the things are fine. Now I'm going to save this and run this. Now we can see that there is a name error, but while the code is running, at that time it only checks at the initial stage, it checks for some syntax errors, and if there is no syntax error then it starts interpreting the whole code. So now we are getting this if a equals to c, because we don't have initialized any variable alt c, and I believe I'm not sure about this, that I would want to initialize this as a value of c instead of a or not, but I assume that it's c. If not, we can make it c and run this. It prints no, and if I use instead of double equals to, I use not equals to and run this again, it will print yes, it's on the condition. But onto this part, if this is a and you want to initialize c in a separately, then you can so also initialize the c value that is not present right. Yes. So I have initialized c and it's running. So this is the explanation. I hope hopefully this video will help you to understand what you miss onto your code, and If you have more questions, or please let me know into the comment section. And also you can join my Facebook group, that is PyCyber Academy. I will post that group link onto the description sections. If you have any queries related to Python or similar kind of issues you are facing, please let me know. I will try my best to resolve that from my side by making this kind of YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon and enable the notification so you can get the latest video while I am uploading over here. Thank you all.